अम्मा के रोटी गोल मटोल, अब्बा के पैसा गोल मटोल, तू भी गोल, मैं भी गोल, सारी दुनिया गोल मटोल।
ये तुम ही गोल हो, मैं तो गोल नहीं हूँ मैं।
हाँ भाई तू भी गोल, मैं भी गोल है, सारी दुनिया तो ही गोल है। ये खाना मैंने नहीं बनाई, किसी और ने बनाई, दूसरे मुझसे ना भी।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं बागी टीवी और मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ज़ैनुल आबिदीन। नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान और चाइना की दोस्ती समंदरों से गहरी और पहाड़ों से ऊंची है। आज हमारे भी कुछ चाइनी दोस्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, उनसे इसी मुतल्लिक बात करेंगे। तो हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं माया ली, जो कि प्रोफेसर हैं चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज की गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी लाहौर में। उसके साथ मौजूद हैं हमारी छोटी लिटिल प्रिंसेस शोवाई, राइट? शोवाई शोवाई, ओके। और तीसरे नंबर पर हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं एलन, जो कि एक बिजनेस टाइकॉन है, पाकिस्तान में बिजनेस कर रही हैं पिछले 3 साल से। तो इनसे हम मुख्तलिफ मौज़ूआत पे, मुख्तलिफ बातों पे डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो चलते हैं इनकी तरफ। और अब मुझे ज़रा अंग्रेज़ी झाड़नी पड़ेगी, तो आप भी तैयार हो जाएं। माया ली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग इन माई प्रोग्राम।
My pleasure.
Your play, my player too. Okay, let's start from the question one. How do you find Pakistan?
Exactly, I'm teaching here in Chinese language, okay, in TC University. This is a government program. It also belong to CPAC program. And
Okay.
Chinese government deliver me to here and for teaching.
Fine. For how long you are here?
5 years, since 2016.
2016.
Yes.
So, if we talk about Chinese, Chinese is a bit difficult language apart from the other languages of the world. How could you manage to deliver the knowledge of Chinese language to a student who's no background of Chinese?
Okay. So firstly, Chinese language is exactly very difficult language for foreigners. And but I know, Pakistani students are very talented. They are good at language learning. They can speak English very well, and they can also speak other language like Arabic. So when I teach them in Chinese, so it's for them it's not that difficult. And also nowadays, because the CPAC program and many chance for students for job or for studying in China, so many students they have very good interested in Chinese. Okay, all of this can help them to learn this better.
Okay, fine. Okay, Ellen, how do you find Pakistan as a businesswoman, I must say?
When I in university, outside of finishing my university, my first customer is from Pakistan.
Okay, fine. Your first customer was from Pakistan.
Yes.
Okay. So you started from China.
Yes. I do business with Pakistan since 2010. 2010. I first time come to Pakistan is 2010.
Isn't it difficult for a foreign to business in Pakistan?
No, for me, I in Pakistan really lucky.
Okay.
Really lucky for me.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you find the business atmosphere here? Is it friendly or?
Yeah. I do garment accessory business like Kasudi, Rajivi, and the US Apparel. So I offer them material by email, and they also give me many support.
नाज़रीन, हमारे साथ जो तीसरी छोटी मेहमान है वो उर्दू भी बोल सकती हैं, तो ये मेरे लिए ज़रा आसानी है कि मेरी इंग्लिश जब कम पड़ेगी तो मैं इनसे सवाल पूछ लूँगा। उर्दू कैसे बोल लेती हो?
वैसे ही
वैसे कैसे?
स्कूल में
बोलती हो? कब से हो इधर पाकिस्तान में? कब से हो?
मामा के साथ
6 साल से। कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रही हो?
1 मिनट कौन करने दो। 5 ईयर 5 साल
1 साल?
5 साल।
अच्छा, 5 साल। I thought you would say. Okay. कैसा लगा पाकिस्तान? वैसे Don't you miss China?
A lot.
Lot. तो फिर पाकिस्तान अच्छा कैसे लगा?
क्योंकि कोरोना हो वापस नहीं जा सकता इसलिए पाकिस्तान ही रहे।
मतलब ये मजबूरी में तुम कह रही हो कि अच्छा लग रहा है पाकिस्तान?
अच्छा लग रहा है पाकिस्तान।
That's right. Okay, Miley. Imran Khan has just banned events in English and other foreign languages, the national events. He orders that every national event should be conducted in Urdu. So, could it be difficult for you?
It's not difficult. Even this is a very good news for me because Urdu is a mother language of Pakistani. So this should be good add in Urdu speaking, Urdu writing, and Urdu literature. So this will be very proud of their mother language. It's no problem for me because they also can speak English. But now they focused on Urdu as a mother language. And this is a good news also. We are Chinese, we are also very proud of our mother language, Chinese.
If we talk about Pakistan, we have more focused on English instead of Urdu and other cultural languages. Is there the same condition in China?
No.
Or you are more focused on your national language?
Yes, we mostly focus on our mother language, Chinese, from class 1 till university, bachelor degree.
Yeah.
So every year, the government afford the Chinese course for every children. So they learn every subject also in Chinese. It's only English course is in English. Like mathematics, social study, or science, or history, or computer, every kind of the course is in Chinese. So they are very good at in writing or in speaking. But you know, when I teach here, many people, especially some young generation, they proud of to speak English. And even in some family, and their family language is English. They are proud of if their children can speak English very well. But you know, language is your root. Culture is your root. So firstly, you build your root, and then learn others. This is my point.
If one cut his or her root,
Yes.
he will not grow
Yes,
up. Okay,
exactly.
fine, that's fine. Ellen, what was your subjects in school, and college, and university? Do you go to university, right?
Yes, I
What
finished
was your
my
subjects?
accounting.
Accounting,
Yes.
accounting and finance.
So
Yes.
that's why I become the businesswoman.
Yeah, that's why you became the businesswoman. Okay, fine. What about vaccination? Because in Pakistan, you have to send your ID card number on 1166. So you don't have Pakistani CNIC?
No, we don't have.
How could you manage?
We bring passport because we are foreigner.
Okay. What about vaccination?
Well, I already did. All Chinese are here already did vaccination.
Okay.
Yes.
All the foreigners got vaccinated
Yes.
already.
In Lahore, we did vaccination in CMH.
Okay, CMS.
Yes.
Right. That's a good hospital.
But this good news, all Pakistani also already is going to vaccination also.
Okay, fine. Do you know about tea? That tea is rooted from China. Its history belongs to China.
Yes.
So you don't take tea.
What I think?
You don't take tea, but
Take tea.
yeah, you
You
don't
mean
take tea,
chai?
but tea is originated from China, basically.
Yes.
Why don't you?
I use.
Okay, you use, but not now because of heat.
Yes.
It's too much, really.
Yes.
It's too much sound. Okay, fine. A bit funny question. Have you received SARS cash of 12,000?
SARS?
SARS cash of 12,000. It was a, you don't know about SARS cash?
No.
You
What
don't?
does meaning?
It was a government initiative
Okay.
for almost 1.4 million people in Pakistan
Okay.
to facilitate them in the COVID situation. Government given them 12,000 each.
Okay.
You don't receive.
Very good.
Okay,
It's
you-
good news also.
Okay, you don't receive, right?
Yeah, I'm a foreigner.
Oh, no foreigner can
Yes.
receive this. Okay, that's fine. Okay. It's believed in Pakistan that China's products are not long lasting. How Corona managed to long last that much?
Corona here.
Yeah.
This is the situation is different. It's we found the corona in China is firstly, but we ended it early also because we follow the government rules. and we do vaccination almost all people there. And corona checking test is also free for everyone. And so that's why the people and the government, they follow the same direction, and then they end very fast and also very early. Now in China, economy, school, office, everywhere is open properly.
Oh, fine.
Yes, but in Pakistan, I think Pakistani usually do gathering together, like
Yeah,
in masjid or in
They don't
some
use masks
function
and
or
all, yeah.
in shadi season or in Eid gathering. So
So भाई, next question is to you. पाकिस्तानी गाना सुनाओ कोई हमें। आता है?
बस
सुनो।
वही आता है
कौन सा वो वाला सुनाओ।
अम्मा के रोटी गोल मटोर अब्बा के वैसा गोल मटोर तू भी गोल मैं भी गोल सारी दुनिया गोल मटोर
ये तुम ही गोल हो, मैं तो गोल नहीं हूँ मैं।
हाँ भाई तू भी गोल मैं भी गोल है सारी दुनिया तो ही गोल है ये गाना मैंने नहीं बनाई किसी और ने बनाई दूसरे मुझसे ना भी
ठीक है। लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आप गोल हो ना, मैं तो गोल नहीं हूँ।
नहीं मैं तो गोल नहीं हूँ
I'm very smart.
मैं भी स्मार्ट हूँ
Okay, fine. अच्छा, how do you look at CPAC? How could it be beneficial for Pakistan, especially for the youth?
Actually, I do is a small business. No for this side. So I no have idea for about
For
this.
CPAC. Okay, Mayali, you might have a
Yeah.
bit idea.
even she is doing very small business,
Okay.
but she afford different position for Pakistani. She has many staff and office in Lahore, also office in Karachi.
Okay.
So this is a very very strict chance of position for Pakistan. Yes, I think CPAC benefit is not only for society, for country, but also for everyone. They give different chance or different position. They give the job, and also they developing the economy. They developing the conditions. So from different side.
Suppose I am 11 and I want to learn Chinese. How could I start?
Chinese language, we already have very professional books, and as me, I have 20 years teaching experience for foreigners.
Okay.
Okay, so this is no need to worry about anything. In many universities, even in schools, they afford Chinese course. So for different age or different person or different people, for students or for some people who want to do some job related with Chinese, so this is easy for them. Just to join
How
the
much
class.
time required?
This is no any require. We have different book like YCT. We afford is for children under 16 years old, and we have HSK is for the students in university, and we have PCT is a special class Chinese class for businessman.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
That's cool.
yes.
Okay, how do you look at the future of Pakistan and China friendship?
From the history, we already have very good friendship,
Okay, no
and
doubt.
presently also.
Okay.
Yes, we have confidence about the friendship between two countries. This is a complete friendship between each other. So benefit and support each other. So this is no any doubt.
Okay.
Yes. So in future also. And in Pakistan, this young generation population occupied is mostly. So I believe Pakistani have very bright future.
How do
Yes.
you look at Pakistani economic condition?
Economic condition.
Economic condition.
Yes. This is not only Pakistan, also all the dunya, all world. Because the coronavirus within these 2 years, so the economy develop is very slowly, and even many shops are closed. But this now, more and more people do vaccination, and after that, everything will reopen. Now is university, school already open, and many shop and also open. So I think with the coronavirus ended,
Yeah.
Yes, and
That's all
then
the
the
China is.
economy will developing better and better day by day.
Okay. For you, it's the last wave of corona, according to you, or or we could expect another one.
For me,
Yeah.
the corona is for school, for education system. So the biggest influence is campus teaching become online teaching.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is too much different for Chinese government because we mostly students is learn in public school, government school.
Yeah.
So the books and the teaching plan and the students mostly studied in those public schools. So they can organize all teacher, all school, they doing online class.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, they will choose the best teacher to teach this lecture because all schools books are same, teaching plan are same also. And then we afford Chinese or every course online just from the TV channel. The students or the family no need to pay or no need online internet Wi-Fi. But here Pakistan, the education system different. And they have the public school, they have the private school, they have international school. So the people, the family, for family especially, this is a very big influence is some parents don't have the smart mobile, they don't have the knife, even they don't know how to use email. And they have many children at home. So same time they need to take the online class. Not only the burden for school, but also burden for family, for parents also.
Okay, fine. Do you want to give any message to the youth of Pakistan, being a Chinese friend, on the behalf of Pak-China friendship?
Okay, Paji Dosti Jindabad. Forever.
Pak-Chin Yo-Yi Monson? Yeah, I'm right?
Paji Dosti Jindabad. If in Chinese, 中巴友谊万岁.
Okay, fine. I was wrong. Okay. तुमको बच्चों को कोई पैगाम दो,
क्या बोला
कोई भी पैगाम दो.
क्या बोला
जो बच्चे तुम्हारी उम्र के तुम्हें देख रहे हैं, तुम्हें क्या कहना चाह रही हो? कुछ कहना चाह रही हो? क्या कहना चाह रही हो?
क्या
बताओ.
गेम खेलना पसंद है
क्या गेम खेल? ये तो आप पूछ रही हो ना, बता क्या रही हो उन्हें?
जो गेम खेलना है वो गेम ही खेलना
आपको कौन सी गेम पसंद है?
सारी
सारी में तो सारी आ जाती है.
हाँ जी पबजी मोंगास और पियानो और चाइनीज गेम है वंडर रॉयल और रनिंग और वही सारे गेम है.
Okay, fine. What do you suggest to a young Pakistani business entrepreneur? How could he manage to uphill his or her business in Pakistan? Any message to a young man who want to start a business?
First, start then university. First, start then university. If you want to business, no matter is small and big, only is do it.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, fine.
Just do it.
Yeah, just do
Yeah.
it.
Yes.
इनका मतलब ये है कि छोटा बड़ा मैटर नहीं करता, आप बस शुरू कर रहे हैं. You mean just start it. Don't matter. It doesn't matter it is small or big. Just start. Okay, fine. That's cool. जी तो नाज़रीन, आपने गुफ्तगू सुनी हमारे चाइनीज़ दोस्तों की, जो कि मेरी तरह ही इंग्लिश में उस तरह से अच्छे तो नहीं हैं, लेकिन ये है कि कुछ हमारे प्रोफेसर जो हैं वो अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलती हैं. मैं बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं बोलता, ये भी अच्छी बोलती हैं, वो तो उर्दू भी बोल लेती हैं. तो ये तो मसाइल हैं हमारे, लेकिन खैर इसको कोई ऐसी हम बुरी बात नहीं जान सकते, क्योंकि ज़ुबान जो है उसका जानना ज़रूरी नहीं, असल में जज्बात का जानना ज़रूरी है. और जो इमरान खान ने नया इनिशिएटिव लिया है उस पर भी ये दाद दे रही हैं उनको कि बिल्कुल अपनी जो कौमी ज़ुबान है उसके फ़रोग को तरजीह देनी चाहिए. और चाइना में भी यही है कि अव्वलीन तरजीह जो है वो चाइनीज़ है, इंग्लिश और दूसरी फॉरेन लैंग्वेज जो है वो सेकंड प्रायोरिटी पे. तो नाज़रीन, ये था आज का प्रोग्राम. इस तरह के मज़ीद प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए, देखते रहिए बागी टीवी.